Hello and welcome to Fix and Drive. Today I'll be showing you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2007 to 2011 BMW 3 Series. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get started. Here are some of the tools that you will need. A magnetic tray for screws, an 8mm socket, socket wrench, and I'll be using an LED headlight to be able to see better, and cabin air filter made for the 3 Series BMW. First thing we need to do is open the hood, pulling the latch down the driver's side. Okay, there's 6 screws that we'll need to remove to get to the cabin air filter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing from my car, but there'll be one right there, and 6. To make this go quicker, I'll be using a socket extension to use like a screwdriver. So first I'll break them loose, and then I'll unscrew it with the socket extension. I'll get the next one, working along the back. That screw. Then I'll put them in the magnetic tray, hold them in place. That one's missing. You'll need to remove that, and then we'll remove the last one on the back row. Okay, now we'll remove the front 2 screws. Okay, now we'll remove the housing for the cabin air filter. So you'll see there's these little tabs that click it in, so push down on those tabs and then pull the filter loose. There's 3 across the top, and once those are removed, you can slide the filter out. See, it's a little dirty, not horrible, but it was due for a change. And here's the new style cabin filter. You'll see 2 pegs at the bottom to help line up the filter, and 3 tabs on top to secure it to the housing. Okay, so we'll pick up the housing, and you'll notice in the middle of the housing there's a plastic piece that sticks out. This helps to align the filter. So we'll line the pegs up into the housing and line that center part up with the middle piece that sticks out, and then line the corners where they fit into the groove. And once you have it secured down, make sure everything's lined up. We'll have to line this up a little bit more. Slide it down, make sure it fits, and then we'll snap it in. And we'll snap the middle one in. We'll snap the last one in. Okay, and we'll double check, make sure they're all secured down. This one still needs to be snapped in all the way. Just push down and slide in. Okay, it's all lined up and good, ready to be put back. Okay, now to install the housing back, we will do it reverse. That's the way we removed it. So we'll make sure we have all the vents lined up and the screw holes lined up. Then we'll take our screws, and using the socket extension, I'll just screw them back in like a screwdriver and hand tighten it down. These don't need to be on super tight, so just a little firm will do the job. Then I'll do the back passenger side screw. missing the one, so I'll skip the other passenger screw and we'll work to the front driver's side screw. Tighten it down snug. Then we'll work on the rear inner driver's side screw. Just twist it good and snug. Okay, then we'll do the outer driver's side screw last. Okay, good to go. Okay, so that's how you change the cabin air filter on a 2007 to 2011 BMW 3 Series. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and click the bell icon if you'd like to be notified of upcoming videos. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless.